Hello everyone. How do you decide if a business, investment, or product is trustworthy? In this lecture, we will explore the Better Business Bureau's education and advocacy efforts, including financial literacy initiatives, scam prevention programs, and resources for informed decision making. Let's get this started. In this lecture, you will be able to describe the purpose of Better Business Bureau's consumer education and advocacy programs, identify key resources and initiatives offered by the Better Business Bureau to help consumers make informed decisions, understand the importance of financial literacy and how Better Business Bureau programs support it. The Better Business Bureau's consumer education and advocacy programs aim to equip people with the knowledge to make safe, informed choices. Through these programs, the Better Business Bureau teaches consumers about everything from spotting scams to managing finances wisely. By promoting transparency and educating consumers, the Better Business Bureau creates a marketplace where ethical businesses can thrive and consumers feel confident in their choices. Consumer advocacy expert Maria Lopez explains the Better Business Bureau's role isn't just to rate businesses. It is to educate the public and protect them from fraud. Consumer education gives people the tools they need to navigate the marketplace with confidence. The Better Business Bureau's education and advocacy programs are designed to help people avoid common pitfalls and stay informed about their rights and options. Think of consumer education as a compass that guides people through the marketplace. Just like a compass points north to keep travelers on track, consumer education helps people navigate complex financial decisions and identify safe, ethical choices. Without a compass, travelers are more likely to get lost. Similarly, without education, consumers are more vulnerable to scam and poor financial decisions. This analogy highlights the Better Business Bureau's role in providing guidance that keeps consumers on the right path. The Better Business Bureau offers a variety of programs and resources to educate consumers, each targeting specific areas of need. Let's go over some of the most impactful ones. Financial literacy is essential for making informed decisions about saving, investing, and spending. The Better Business Bureau offers resources on budgeting, credit management, and debt reduction to help consumers build a solid financial foundation. These resources are especially valuable for young adults, first time investors, and anyone seeking to improve their financial habits. For example, the Better Business Bureau's Smart Investing program provides tips on assessing investment opportunities, avoiding high risk ventures, and identifying red flags in investment pitches. These resources prevent consumers from falling for financial scams or taking unnecessary risks. As discussed in the previous lectures, scams are a major consumer concern today. The Better Business Bureau's consumer education program emphasizes scam awareness, teaching people to recognize warning signs of common scams such as phishing emails, fake online stores, and fraudulent investment offers. The Better Business Bureau's Spot a Scam campaign, for instance, educates people about scammers' tactics and provides tips for staying safe. This campaign includes educational materials, webinars, and interactive tools that help consumers identify scams before they become victims. The Better Business Bureau also offers guides for making major purchases such as cars, homes, or large appliances. These guides include advice on comparing prices, checking warranties, and understanding return policies. By following these guidelines, consumers can avoid unnecessary costs and confidently make purchases. Choosing where to donate money is as important as choosing where to spend it. The Better Business Bureau's Wise Giving Alliance evaluates charities and offers guidance on responsible giving. This resource helps consumers find trustworthy charities and avoid fraudulent ones, ensuring their donations go to cause they genuinely want to support. Through these programs, the Better Business Bureau provides practical, actionable advice that helps people make smart choices, avoid financial pitfalls, and support organizations that align with their values. Beyond education, the Better Business Bureau actively advocates for consumer rights by working with lawmakers and other organizations. Better Business Bureau advocacy program focus on promoting fair practices, protecting consumer rights, and creating a safer marketplace. Here are a few ways Better Business Bureau advocacy programs work. The Better Business Bureau collaborates with policymakers to suggest regulations that protect consumers by sharing insights from consumer complaints and market research. The Better Business Bureau helps shape policies that address common consumer issues such as misleading advertising and unfair business practices. The Better Business Bureau often partners with law enforcement, regulatory agencies, and non-profits to address widespread consumer concerns. For example, the Better Business Bureau works with Federal Trade Commission (FTC) on campaigns against deceptive advertising with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau (CFPB) to promote financial literacy. The Better Business Bureau advocates for transparency in business practices, encouraging companies to disclose relevant information clearly and accurately. This includes pushing for clearer advertising, ethical billing practices, and honest product descriptions. By holding businesses accountable, the Better Business Bureau's advocacy efforts ensure that consumers have the information they need to make confident decisions. According to consumer advocacy leader David Morris, the Better Business Bureau advocacy work helps make businesses more accountable, pushing for transparency that empowers consumers to make informed choices. Through its partnerships and policy efforts, the Better Business Bureau reinforces its mission of promoting trust in the marketplace. Visit the Better Business Bureau's Wise Giving Alliance page and select a charity that interests you. Write a summary of what you learned from the charity's accountability and transparency and how this information might impact your donation decision. Alright, tell us. Do you think consumer education is essential in today's marketplace? How do you feel about organizations like Better Business Bureau providing resources to help people make better financial and purchasing decisions? We're looking forward to seeing an insightful comment section. In conclusion, education is a powerful tool that helps consumers navigate the market safely and confidently. This marks the end of this lecture here. This lecture explored the Better Business Bureau's consumer education and advocacy programs, focusing on financial literacy, scam prevention, informed purchasing, and ethical charity support. See you in the next one.